everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in dark graphite metallic with a black interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in dark graphite metallic. I've just pressed unlock, so we have the kidney grille illuminating and the DRLs are on. I've got the key with me. If I press and hold panic for 1 second, we can get the full low beam lighting system on through the pathway lighting option. So let's do a little lap all the way around this vehicle. And once we complete this lap, we can definitely take a closer look at all the details. So we got dark graphite metallic. This color was available on the G01 X3 previous body style as well. Beautiful color, and it is a metallic paint, so you can kind of see where the light hits it. Right here, the metallic speck in the paint looks awesome. And X3 has very minimal hood lines, but we do still have some 4 lines for the BMW design language. We've got this style rondelle. We're going to see the new one that doesn't have the silver here. You've probably seen that on my iX3 content. And we've got the kidney grille in matte satin, but when you press unlock or you start the car, it does light up, and at night it looks crazy when you see it coming up. And it does have the crisscross design, and this lower part does open as it is an active grille shutter. We've got the front facing camera here, front plate bracket, split chin as per BMW's new design language, and we've got active grille shutters along the bottom. There's some functional air going into the brake ducts on each side as well, and overall front end looks great. Now if we come around over here, you'll see that we have the BMW LED headlights. So it's the double stacked L shapes, looks real nice, and all these little lines and patterns. It says BMW in there as well. That all looks pretty sweet. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 20-inch double spoke 1036M wheels in jet black burnish with the blue M Sport brake back there, so that looks sweet. I've got some P0, Pirelli P0 all-season tires on here, and got this nice body line here, which has another one that kind of starts from over here, and it cuts across above the door handles, and we do have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front, and body colored rocker panel with the M welcome light carpet that shines down from over here, and black roof rails up top, glass roof with the new style antenna back there, and we do have a body colored side mirror with integrated turn signal and side camera for the 360 cam. There's your rear 1036M wheel with the blue M Sport brake caliper back there. We have the Hofmeister kink here, spoiler up top, rear wiper arm, and here's your X-shaped tail lights. Lights up with all the crisscross patterns similar to the front grille, and you've got BMW illuminating on the side there. And we've got X330 badging. And this one does actually have the tow hitch and no visible exhaust from the back, but you can see there's a muffler underneath. Tow capacity on X330 is about 4,000 pounds. And I've got the key with me, so I can press and hold tailgate release. Also a switch here you can press with your finger. Once this opens up, you can see there's a cargo cover here. You can press the buttons on the side to release it. So when you see orange, it's unlocked. You can come out, and there's a space underneath for here that it can be stored in. To put this back, you just move it towards the front of the car. If you don't see orange, it's now locked back into place. 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, illuminated, netted its area. This side has a little cutout. And if I do lift this up, wheel lock key and tow hook has a designated spot. There's your tire inflator kit plus, and there's more storage space here with the carpeted mats. So once we're done with all this, there's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock. So we'll press the button. There's no kick to close or open if you've got the tow hitch here, FYI. Now if we come along to the passenger side, you'll see that we have fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put that. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click to put it back. Now if we go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see we've got the black interior. This is high gloss black. The window switch is high gloss black. We have a new color for the door handle, Harman Kardon sound system, big deep door pockets. And over here, you'll see that we have, I'm just gonna undo the seat belts. Release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. The armrest in the center comes down with some cup holders. And up top here, there's a button you can press for the center pass-through. Headrest height can also be adjusted manually on the two other positions. And on the back of each front seat, we've got the accessory port. Pockets down here, more vents and illumination down here. These are the optional winter mats. We have some more vents here, a storage space, two USB Type-C charging ports. And up top, we do have a handle with a coat hanger on each side and some lights. So let's shut this door and we'll open up the front passenger door next. So, welcome light carpet on the passenger side. Let's lift up the door handle and open that up. So inside, Harman Kardon, ambient lights, vent controls, unlock, lock, window switch. This is now a different color for 26. We've got some pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension, manual headrest adjustment as well, and the seat has lots of heavy bolstering. Nice soft touch materials on the dash, stitching going across, more of those crisscross patterns over here. Down here, glove box is illuminated. It can also be locked as a key cylinder. We have the curved display with iDrive 9. Down here, we've got some more vents. Wireless charger on the left side there with a little vent to cool your phone so it continues to charge. Two USB Type-C charging ports, and we've got your cup holders and the nice ambient light jewel box. We have the glass iDrive controller. Push start button is over here as well. Gear selector, and if I lift this up, there's also a 12-volt plug down there. So let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me just open up the door. So we got Harman Kardon sound system, nice ambient light, unlock, lock, vent controls, memory, windows, side mirrors, tailgate, pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And up top, sunshade is closed, but we do have the nice big glass roof. And over here, you'll see that we have the flat bottom steering wheel. We also have the head-up display over here. And this does feature the cruise control, which mitigates the speed and the distance to the car in front of you, and it does stop and go. Up top, we have an interior camera here, sunshade controls, rear view mirror with the 3 buttons underneath for garage door openers. If I pull this down, we have the light when you open the mirror, and the visor does come out and extend. And we have some microphones on the ceiling for Bluetooth, handle on each side. And down here, you'll see that we have your pedals, and underneath here is hood release. So it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo, 255 horse, 295 foot-pounds of torque. And we've got a positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminals at post, washer fluid over here. We also have the strut bars here as well, and more of those crisscross designs. Up top, we have 2 latches under the BMW hood. So if I bring the hood about halfway, put my fingers on the rondelle so I don't put fingerprints on the paint, literally just send her down. Beautiful. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around the car. And I like dark graphite. I think it's a nice gray color. It's also more forgiving than black, of course. And since I've got the key with me, 1, 2, 3 on the start or lock button. So there's your remote engine start, cold start. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. And 1, 2, 3, and we can shut off the remote engine start. Perfect. And active grille shutters have opened up so they can breathe. And look at this. That's them closing. Sweet. All right, everyone. So that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in dark graphite metallic with the black interior and M Sport Pro. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at AlanBMW Durham. And congrats, Namu. This car's awesome. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.